Hey everyone, welcome back to Growth Beyond Horizon. Let's talk about a problem I see with almost every Shopify brand I work with. Most brands focus on products, sourcing, or ads, but completely overlook the systems inside their Shopify store. Here's the thing, small bottlenecks like checkout friction, broken retention flows, or layouts that don't guide customers properly are silently holding back revenue. I have seen brands fix these issues and boost revenue by 20 to 40% in just few weeks without spending a single extra dollar on ads. Imagine this. A customer adds a product to their cart but drops off at checkout, or a buyer loves your product but never gets a follow-up email to return. These small leaks in your store system can add up to huge lost revenue. When brands treat Shopify like a living growth driven system instead of just a website, every small optimization compounds. Adjusting your layouts for better conversions, fixing checkout friction, and setting up retention flows can completely transform the way your store performs. I have seen brands that implement these changes consistently scale faster than their competitors, even when their ad spend stays the same. The secret isn't a new tool or more traffic, it's making your Shopify store smarter, smoother, and more optimized for the customer journey. So, if you want your Shopify brand to grow efficiently and sustainably, focus on the fundamentals. Treat your store as the engine of your business, fix the bottlenecks, and watch small improvements add up to massive results over time. This is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. I'll catch you in another video.